Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Carlos, and I'm here. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm Lisa Polunin with Keller Williams Tampa Properties.
And we're here at our open house. We're going to be here from 12 to 3. I'll put the address in the description. I just ran out of time, couldn't put it in there right now. So we're going to take a quick tour of this house. This is a what, 4-bedroom?
It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's great. It has this little mother-in-law little suite downstairs. I can't wait to show you.
Yeah, we're going to show you. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around. Lisa's going to give us a quick tour. I usually have decent reception out here. Wesley Chapel, for some reason, is a little funky.
Okay.
So if it slows a little funky, I'll still record it and then we'll post it later. But let's go for it, okay?
All right,
I'm going to turn the camera around.
Come on and see the house.
All right, Lisa, let's take a tour of this house. So where are we located anyway?
We're in Wesley Chapel. This is a great little area. Nice schools, nice families.
Mm-hmm.
We have a swimming pool little area over here.
Yep.
These are single family homes, but they also have townhomes too. So
Yeah, and we're close to Wiregrass Mall.
close to Wiregrass, definitely. Close
Yeah.
to 54, close to 56. Right
Hospital,
in between.
everything's out here.
Hospital. But do you hear any kind of
Oh yeah,
craziness?
it's quiet. We're gonna take a walk around outside after. All right, Lisa, tell us about this
All right,
wonderful room over here.
I love this room because this, to me, I picture my parents staying in here because when they come over,
Yeah.
this is like an ensuite in this
Look at
fourth
this.
bedroom down here.
Yeah.
Nice walk-in closet. That's the size of some rooms now these
Oh
days.
yeah, this is definitely somebody could just. This is it right here.
Oh yeah.
You know, you want to throw your kids in a room so they don't bother you, throw them in there.
Yeah, that would be the room because it's downstairs. The rest of the rooms are upstairs. Nice kitchen, beautiful granite countertops, as you can see. Nice little area. There's also another area over here. I put my
Little
my
working
computer,
station.
Everything over here. Half bath is down here. Cute little half bath. Nice and convenient. You have guests over. They don't have to use the front bathroom. Laundry room here, and I love this area out back. We'll go upstairs in just a second.
Yeah, let's take a walk outside.
Look
check this
at
out.
patio. Private patio.
Yep.
The great thing about it too is that your parking is behind. So here's the garage right here.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yes. 2-car garage.
So the
the
parking
alleyway.
behind the
So you
house.
park behind. There's 2 spaces behind also, and you have this private alleyway. This is where the trash goes, so the trash is not in front of your house.
Pretty cool.
Nice little area, well kept, clean, quiet.
Yeah. All right, let me turn this around real quick so you can read her sign. That is who I'm with. That's her phone number. All right, let's go back inside.
Let's do it. Come on in.
All right, so this is 4-bed, 3.5 bath. So a little privacy area right here. And we are gonna take a walk upstairs, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's take a walk upstairs. Any other things we should know about this neighborhood? Oops. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, it's
Trying to hurry up.
right in the center of everything. You have restaurants galore over here. Wesley Chapel is really, really growing.
Yeah.
And there's got so many things that are happening. I don't know if you know about the Grove. They're doing a whole bunch of stuff over there. They're bringing a lot of new places in. And it's just going to be unbelievable. You should check out the Grove. They're pretty awesome.
That's right. All right, so we have
Oh,
split
loft
plan.
area. So this is a nice little loft area. Not even considered a bedroom. I mean, it's perfect. Kids
Is
can
this the
play up
master?
here. This is the master.
This is the master. Okay. Good size walk-in.
Yep. Nice size room. The view is of the front here. So
Yep.
got the front view. Great little bathroom. Separate shower, tub, and little area over there. So
Hello.
nice.
All right, let's go check out the other
Let's do
room.
it. I love the
And
size
we're
of
gonna be
these
here
rooms.
12 to 3. All right, and like I said
Yes.
earlier, I'm gonna put the address in the descriptions once we finish the video.
Bedroom, bedroom.
Yeah, close to each
Nice size. Bathroom that they share.
other. Yeah.
Perfect little area.
Yeah. Kids are on the other side. I like you.
Exactly.
I mean,
Especially
they can
my
put a
kids.
nice little TV up here,
Oh, yeah.
pool table. You got a lot you can do up here.
You have a lot that you could do up here.
All right, let's go finish up downstairs.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? Let's take a walk out the front door. Just show them the front of the house and
Oh, yeah.
the pool area where the pool is located. And what else is out there? Oh, somebody else coming in? Oh, that's the back door.
Just the back door open.
All right, I'll meet you up front.
Okay, I'll be there.
All right, everyone. 3.5 bath. Let me show you the kitchen area again. All right. Living area. And we're going to take a quick walk outside So what's going to be going on across the street? More homes, right?
At this time, I would think so, because there's so much growth happening.
Yes.
I think they've prepared themselves to do
More.
a nice new row of homes there.
Okay, so we have the pool, as you can see.
Yes.
This is, I mean, we're close to the pool.
Very, very close to the pool.
Yeah, so you can walk over with your children.
Yeah, very
I
convenient.
mean, at the moment, there's no new houses out over here, but hey, you never know.
Look at how cute all these houses are. It's like
Yeah.
the row houses and some of these old towns that you go to.
Yeah, why don't we finish up over here by your sign?
Let's do it.
All right. So
Look
let me
for my
let me
signs.
turn this around so you can see. This is the neighborhood
So cute.
right there, the house. Very quiet out here. Very, 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 and I mean, very quiet.
Wonderful.
Let me show Lisa's sign again.
Yes, you see my signs around town, please come visit me.
All right, and as you can see, 404-402-2287. All right, let me turn this camera around. Sorry, guys. Where am I? All right. Well, I know we're in the sun. Sorry.
We are. I'm putting my hand
It's a
up.
beautiful day.
It's gorgeous.
Let me see if I can get my height behind you.
You can.
All
I
right.
got my heels on though.
All right. All right, come out and see us today. 12 to 3. Well, it's already noon, guys. And I'll put the address right now once I finish up. Any questions, give us a call.
Come and see us.
Bye now.
Bye.